The impact mfethu asikhulume ngorile. Relebogile Mfokeng. Uchange yonke le mfana equality mfethu, quality player. It's a pity kunezinto in life you need luck. Unid inhlanhla empilweni yabo. Kunezinye izinto that we can't change it. It took time for mfana ukuthi abe settle noma ngaba katshelanga umuntu. It's very easy ngeke ngaba football player. Yabo lo mfana kunezinto ezimlimazile. Yes, not to say you jealous. If you are a star player, come to the team first season you do well. Kufika abanye abantu, not to say they are better than you, not to jealous for them, and then bahambe at your age. While everybody in South Africa is expecting you to leave, now we ask ukuthi I deserve to leave. Izokushaya psychologically. Lo mfana kuye kwaba nesikhathi whereby is no longer himself, but class is permanent. Bawubona ukuthi class is permanent. The decision making usha abantu abaningi. PSL, the majority of players, seasoned players, oshanga decision making. This boy impact alethile ye. Ngikhuluma ngokubreaker la central. Ukubreaker la window lawa. It just that ama-team work I don't think amabhola bewa expected ukuthi uzowadlala la. A very dangerous player makangena. I think uthenjile idiamond, but that it's not enough. Ngoba benganidi yena i-1.